All right, so here's my summary reflection of the course. My exploration stage, when I began this course, I was pretty unsure of how useful Google Apps would be for my first grade classroom. Just my personal experiences with conferences and in services and whatnot that I've attended in the past, they tend to go towards more upper elementary or secondary education. And so that's really frustrating for me because there's these wonderful resources out there, but it's just not lower elementary friendly. So that was kind of my preconceived thought with Google, is that it's for the tech savvy people or for the more advanced students. And knowing my students are so young and still learning the beginnings of tech education, I wasn't real convinced I'd be able to implement too many Google Apps into my classroom, but I was willing to have an open mind and ready to explore. My explanation stage. My actual experiences throughout this course were very positive. Overall, I found many different Google Suites tools that I can, in fact, implement into my classroom. So just one example would be the Google Sites. It would give my students as parents kind of a hub or a community for all things that have to do with our classroom. It could be a place for them, for me to share pictures, events, information, all kinds of things for them, just one place to go look at it. Also, Google Forms can be used as an easy and instant way for me to get information, whether it be from my students or from the families of my students. And it's a really simple thing. I can just send out the link to my kids' iPads and they can fill it out. The conjecture stage was, how can I create age-appropriate activities for my students while still implementing some Google Suite tools? In my analysis stage, I found that Google Sites can become an age-appropriate and family-engaging hub for any classroom information and pictures. Also, Google Forms can create an easy and effective way to collaborate while also collecting data and/or information. And my synthesis stage. Google Apps are very user-friendly. I've always been a big fan of Google. Like I said, I just had that preconceived notion of my kids can't do it. And so now taking this course, I am determined to find ways to implement them into my first grade classroom because it is so collaborative and they're so easy to use. The Google Suite offers a multitude of different tools that are education friendly, and there's many different collaborative tools that Google Suite offers for free, which is like an educational person's dream, right? Is having free stuff. All right, that's it, folks. Thank you.